Whether you're taking a vacation or just simply going on a business trip, the use of an eSIM can drastically save you time, money, and guess what? It gives you the freedom to upgrade your phone to an eSIM super quick, and it takes away all those country restrictions. And one of the best thing about it is that it is so cheap to actually get a SIM card, to get an eSIM SIM card and set it up. And in this video, guys, I want to share with you this company by the name of eXIM that offers some amazing solutions that you can easily get their eSIMs and set them up in just a few clicks, right? So how do you go? So what is eXIM, guys? They offer one of the best prices around here that you can find, and an easy and a super simple and easy way how to get started with eSIM. All you have to do, guys, is just simple go ahead and purchase an eSIM, which I'm going to show you a bit later, and the steps are pretty much simple to set up. So you just want to insert the eSIM into your phone, download the eSIM app by simply scanning the QR code, and guess what? Activate it. And that's all that you have to do to get started. They offer three solutions here. They offer a X1 solution that gives you 5x download. You can store up to 15 eSIMs, right? Seedling service is not supported. You can use this across three of the most popular mobile operating system: iOS, Android, and Harmony OS. And guess what, guys? And the price for this is just $15. While for the X, and if you want to step it up a notch further, you can use the X2, which gives you unlimited downloads, up to store up to 15 eSIMs, and you basically can use it across those different operating system as well. And this is $28 that you can quickly get it. And if you want to go all out, guys, the X2 Pro is massive. You get unlimited downloads. This one supports seedling service, and guess what, guys? You get a ton of different benefits for just about $35. So I really recommend that you get on board, guys, and start using eSIMs, because it is a smart way to basically connect and communicate while you are abroad. Now, I want to touch on some of the benefits again, why using eSIMs is so important. So you get more convenience than using a traditional SIM card. So you no longer have to use those physical SIM cards, guys. You can just simply connect to the internet, scan the QR code, activate your eSIM, and guess what? You're ready to go, right? You get more flexibility than when you're using a traditional eSIM card. So no matter which country you're in, you can easily purchase any package from your local operator. Guess what, guys? And you can have your eSIM ready to go. On top of that, guys, it literally actually saves you money than when you're using a traditional SIM card, right? That is one of the biggest benefits that you'll actually find, because you don't have to worry about those expenses, because it literally saves you money. And of course, it saves you time than a traditional SIM card, right? So, and it literally saves you time, guys. It literally breaks the geographical restriction. All you have to do is just buy and use a eSIM immediately, wherever you are, wherever you go. You don't need to wait. You don't need to worry about logistics or transportation. You just need to pay for it online as long as you have internet connection, and you can quickly have your eSIM ready on your phone, and you have freedom of and you have peace of mind by simply using your eSIM. I was lucky enough to get my hands on this eSIM, guys, and I'm telling you, as you can see here, I'm currently setting up my eSIM while I'm on vacation right here, and it is doing me wonders. I really love it. I want to take this time, guys, to share with you X eSIM. You want to go ahead and check out their different plans. You want to go ahead and check out it, guys. As you can see here, if you want to buy it, just simply head over to their website, guys, and you can easily purchase an eSIM. Check out the link in the description of this video as well. And while you have those different plans with different prices, guys, as you can see, $15 and $28, in order to get an extra discount, you can go ahead and you can get my discount code or my discount coupon code within the description of this video. That's going to give you some extra discount here for your purchases. So, guys, I really want to recommend to you that you start utilizing the flexibility and the advantages of eSIM. If you want to learn more about eSIM, I want to recommend that you start checking out eSIMs and start getting used to using eSIM. This is a great thing to use, especially when you're traveling. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save you money. It's going to literally give you the freedom and the flexibility to don't have to worry and hassle about having a different SIM card. Don't have to worry about burning out all of your data roaming and have to pay extra expenses to your service provider, to your local service provider. Having an eSIM is definitely something that you want to take advantage of and start using right away. So guys, check out this company here. If you have any question, they're always happy to help. You have a lot of They're always supportive, and if you're ready to get on board with start using eSIMs, check out the link within the description of this video and you can start getting eSIMs. There are some really wonderful reviews about this company as well. As I said, I'm actually using this on my go as well. I haven't had any issues with it. It's working fine, and I'm really enjoying the use of this eSIM right now. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, find the link in the description along with the coupon code, and grab your eSIMs and get ready for your next business trip or vacation.